Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about scanning QR code in Android, whether you are a complete beginner or want to learn advanced tricks about QR code.
In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to scan QR codes and how to generate your own. First, let's understand what QR code actually are. QR stands for Quick Response. A QR code is a two-dimensional barcode that contain information. These patterns encode data. When you scan a QR code with your phone, the camera reads the pattern and decodes the hidden information. QR code can contain many types of information. They can contain URLs, websites, they can contain information like names, phone number and email, they can contain Wi-Fi login credential, they contain text message, location, data, calendar, events, phone number or plain text. A single QR code can hold a surprise amount of information. Some QR codes contain just a few characters, while others contain thousands of characters. The advantage of QR code is that they are quick to scan. You just point your phone camera at the QR code and instantly get the information. The easiest way to scan QR codes on Android is using Google Lens. Google Lens is a Google AI power image recognized tool built into most Android phones. Here is how to use it. Open your phone camera app. You will see Google Lens icon at the bottom of the camera screen. It looks like a small square with Google icon. Tap on it. The camera switches to Google Lens mode. Now point your camera at QR code. Google Lens will automatically recognize it. You will see a notification appear saying QR code detected. You don't even have to take a photo. Just point and wait. Once recognized, a notification will appear with QR code contains. The advantage of Google Lens is that fast, accurate, and built into your phone. You don't need to download anything. It's free. Second, most modern Android phones have a QR code scanning built directly into the camera app. You don't need Google Lens. You can scan QR code right from your camera. Here is how to use. Open your camera like you normally would. Point your camera at QR code. After a moment, a notification will appear with QR code information. Beyond scanning QR code, you can also generate your own. This is useful if you want to create QR code for your business website or personal use. There are many free QR codes generators online. Go to qrcodegenerator.com or similar sites. Enter the information you want to encode. If you want to create a URL, code paste the URL. If you want to create a contact QR code, fill the contact detail and then generate the QR code for your use.